Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Quaker Oats. Preparing a warm, comforting bowl of oatmeal is incredibly simple and a fantastic way to start your day with a nutritious meal. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast or a healthy snack, understanding the basic steps will help you create a perfect bowl every time. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to enjoying your customized creation. Let's get started on making a delicious and wholesome meal that's both easy and satisfying. To begin, you'll need a few simple items. First, grab your favorite type of Quaker Oats, whether it's old-fashioned rolled oats for a chewier texture or quick-cooking oats for speed. Next, measure out your liquid. Water or milk works wonderfully, depending on your preference. You'll also need a saucepan for stovetop cooking or a microwave-safe bowl for a quicker method, along with a spoon for stirring. These basic tools are all you need to prepare a delightful meal. Now for the cooking. If using the stovetop, combine 1/2 cup of oats with 1 cup of liquid in your saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oats reach your desired consistency. For a microwave method, mix the same proportions in a microwave-safe bowl and cook on high for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring halfway through. It's that easy to achieve perfectly cooked oats. The best part about Quaker Oats is how easily you can customize them. Once your oats are cooked, feel free to add your favorite toppings. Fresh fruits like berries or sliced bananas, a sprinkle of nuts or seeds, or a drizzle of honey or maple syrup can elevate your bowl. Don't forget a dash of cinnamon or a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Enjoy your warm, wholesome, and personalized bowl of oats, a truly satisfying and healthy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.